guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, Semifrats. It's been so long days that I haven't uploaded any videos due to some personal issue, and yes, thank you so much guys. This video is specially Thanksgiving to all the subscribers. Actually I have reached 1k subscribers just now today, and yes guys, thank you so much for your support. Even though there is nothing special or that there is nothing good videos in my YouTube channel, even though your love and support has always been great to me, and yeah, finally I have reached my 1k subscriber. Thank you so much to everyone, and suggest me anything that you guys want me to do in the comment section. Let me know whether I can do it or not. So from now I'll be uploading a vlogs video. Stay tuned to the channel, and then the more interesting I will be uploading from now. So I was waiting for 1k subscriber. Within this 3, 4, 5 months, I think I haven't uploaded any videos. Waiting for this 1k to reach. So I hope from now I will be uploading video and I will get a nice result. So thank you so much everyone.